Although I look good in it, man, I don't know. Who cares? Oh!
Mamak nagpakalbo na kanat mayat.
Mayat.
Bagay ko.
Bakay mo. Ada, DJ video mo diet.
So, I'm not even sure what I'm doing. I have this hair for 10 months now. Just this part, top part. Never cut it, only the sides. I'm really annoyed. It's so irritating. We'll see what happened today. So I do my own haircut here on board. And pag tapos na ako, tinatanong ko lang kung pantay sa likod. If it is not, then so be it. It will grow. So I have here 13mm and 9.5mm and 3mm, 6mm. So let's start. Let's see how long it is. I never cut it. I'm gonna start at the side first. I'm gonna do the fade. I'm used to these sides. I have 1 hour to play. I have 1 hour spare. It's actually 7 p.m. now. And usually I sleep at 8:30 or 9 in the evening. It depends if I have a good internet connection. I'm just gonna play with my hair a bit. If I like it, then who knows? I'm not gonna do the buzz cut anymore. Parang I want this look. Konti lang. Going to cut it all. I'll make sure there's no error here. There's no room for error. My heart's beating so fast. Although I look good in it, man, I don't know. Who cares? Oh! I was going to do it in the Philippines because I don't have anyone to trust here to do my hair. I don't trust anyone, even myself. But I'm really irritated. Thumbnail. Now, we're going to fade it on sides. Okay, I'm gonna do the devil cut now because it's already almost 8. So actually my YouTube channel is more on cinematic travel vlog. I mean travel videos, not vlog thing. But I have no choice. There's COVID-19 and we cannot go out. There's no brochure. When hopefully makauwi na tayo. I can't go home because of the virus. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to click the subscribe button and watch out for more cinematic video soon. And see you on the next video.